Welcome back to another Dynodaze video. As you can see, an EG in the house today for a remap on the KPro. This one's a Kswap. It's gorgeous. Let's crack on. Here we come. Rich is going to feed her into the dyno cell. I think I still want one of these. Beauty. Who doesn't like a bit of carbon fibre? So we'll get her strapped down to the dyno. We'll do an initial power run and then we'll start tuning on the KPro software. Oh yes. Just a quick one. We've picked up a sponsor, and it's actually a relevant sponsor. It's a sponsor that sells lubricants, oils, additives, etc. Now, if you're watching this video, I did say lubricant. Don't you use lube? Anyway, so it's because this is a Honda video and you guys are Honda fans, well, you need to make sure that you've got oil in your engine. It's like the golden rule. So put some golden oil in there. But yes, we picked up this sponsor. We're very happy with it. It's World of Lubricant. So go and find worldoflubricant.co.uk. Very helpful team there. And there's a discount code for you guys, which is Dyno, D-Y-N-O. Drop that code in the checkout and you'll find yourself pleasantly surprised with the discount and either save yourself a load of money or buy some additives or just buy some top-up oil or whatever you want to do. But go and enjoy yourselves, spend some money there and yeah, and save yourself some money and keep your Hondas healthy. And that's about it.
Yeah.
Sweet. I like this car, Richard. I would like one of these, please.
Treat yourself to one.
No.
Even got the original Honda tape player in it, look.
Oh, I could put the wham in there. Yeah. That's not a euphemism.
Have it chew up.
That's
not tape.
That's not a euphemism. I don't want to shove my wham in this. I meant a cassette.
Yeah.
For those of you who are as old as us, cassettes are music on a small plastic thing with reels inside.
And they push it into the thing. Yeah.
Has it got a fast forward on it?
Yeah.
It has got but has it got a rewind? Is that a rewind button?
Yeah, it says.
My first tape deck didn't have a rewind.
Yes, you had to turn it over and then do it the other way. Or the other way.
Yeah, it had a fast forward. It didn't have a rewind.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm old.
Right. So anyway, EG K20 swap. I mean, there's not a lot to say about that. Everyone knows what that sort of entails. On a KPro V4 ECU. Very nicely got an AEM gauge and got it linked into the ECU. A couple of issues there. Obviously, we got to the bottom of them. It wasn't reading to the ECU. Obviously, the AFR was working and reading, but it wasn't working correctly to the ECU. I says, well, have you ran an earth to the ECU or to the ground wire? No, I haven't done that. So we did that. Still wasn't working. It was a little bit confusing. I thought, well, every time I've done that, it's always worked. But did a little bit more quick research, and on the new version of the AEM, it has also got a ground brown wire for the analog signal. So we grounded that out. So for anyone that's having a problem with their AM and it's not working to their V4, there is also a brown ground wire. So we got that sorted, got it linked to the ECU, got it all working. That's really about it, really. I mean, obviously it mapped up as you would expect it would map up. The beauty of having the wideband in, for anyone that's interested, is obviously when you do a conversion, they're all generally wideband looms. And obviously everything that's in this country is all narrowband. So it doesn't work. It basically doesn't work. The beauty of having an AEM or an Innovate or whatever you put in there, you can run that into it, and then you can obviously have all your cruise fuel in and everything, and target.
You wire it into ECU, don't you?
Yeah, and you just get a much better driving, fuel efficient car is what I would use that as. Yeah, so obviously then we tuned. It did exactly sort of what I expected. I think we finished on 227, did we not?
230. I think we're finishing on.
Yeah, 230 we're finishing on. It's dying a little bit at the top end, but it has just got a bit of a homebrew induction kit on it. Looks like it's got a bit of a homebrew exhaust on it.
Stock inlet manifold, isn't it?
Yeah, stock inlet manifold. So to be fair, there's definitely some improvements that could be made to make some more power here for sure. But nonetheless, we were mandated to map this car.
It's a light car, and I bet it goes like a rat down a drain pipe. I wanted to say something else, but that had a swear word.
Yeah, there's a swear word in it, so you can't say that. Right, should we have a look at this graph?
Let's do it.
Do it.
Well, there we have it, guys. Red line is as she came in. Blue line is as she leaves. We've got power across the band there. Really happy with that. Finishing on 229, so 230. Yeah, what a car. What a beauty. Someone's going to have a lot of fun in this. If you've got a Kswap and you need help with tuning or parts, give us a shout. But otherwise, we'll see you on the next one.
And I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.